Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on iPhone or iPad iOS 18. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is go to the home screen and open the settings app. Over here, make sure you are connected to a strong internet connection. After that, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and update your device to the latest iOS version. Then go back and scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset All Settings. After that, go back and tap on Screen Time. Then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions and turn it off. After that, go back and tap on Privacy and Security. Over here, scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection. Then turn it off. If the problem is still not fixed, open the Apple Support app. Select your iPhone, then scroll down and tap on More. After that, tap on Face ID. Then scroll down and tap on Call. Now call the support number and explain your issue. So that's basically how you can fix Face ID required stolen device protection is turned on iPhone or iPad iOS 18. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.